Hi, I'm Lorenzo from Ango AI. In this video, I'll tell you everything you need to know about annotating PDFs on AngoHub. You can annotate PDFs directly in AngoHub without having to convert them to images first. From the Assets tab, just click on Add Data here and drag and drop your PDFs. There are more ways to add data to AngoHub. For example, you can import data that's directly in your S3 or GCP cloud storage buckets. I invite you to check out docs.ango.ai for more details on how to do so. Also, if you perform OCR on your PDFs externally, you can easily import your OCR tokens so that they will show up on AngoHub, and you can have your labelers categorize them, for example. All you'll need to do is to format your tokens to our super simple JSON format and upload them from here. As always, more information on the specifics of the JSON format is on docs.ango.ai. Before labeling your PDFs, you will have to set the project ontology. So let's enter the Settings tab and create the labeling tools we want. Let's say, for example, that our PDFs are bills or receipts, and we want to label the sender, the amount, and the receiver. So we can create 3 PDF tools with their respective names. We can change their colors by clicking on each tool's icon. If we want to, we can ask further questions about each of the labels. For example, for the amount, we can ask the labeler the amount's currency. To do so, we just add a classification to the amount tool like so. You can nest questions conditionally as deep as you like. Once we click on Save, we are ready to label. Let's click on Start Labeling. Once we are in the labeling editor, to place annotations on the PDF, simply select the tool from the left side and draw an area on the PDF. If we right-click on the area, we can answer the classification questions we wrote earlier. When you're done labeling the PDF, you can click on Submit, and the system will show you the next unlabeled PDF. On AngoHub, we support PDFs of any size. You can navigate between pages with arrows up here, or you can input the page number directly. The navigation was designed to be as instantaneous as possible. Once you have a large number of labels, it can be hard to visually understand and remember where each one was. So, all you have to do is keep the Control button pressed and hover over the labels on the lower left side of the screen. The editor will jump to the right page and highlight the right label for you. You can also search PDFs for their content simply by using the browser's integrated search function. Now, we have separate labels, but in some cases, we need to connect them with one another to form a relation. For example, we have a separate sender, amount, and receiver, but we would like to link them together in our labeling. There are 2 main ways to do so. One is with relations. From the Settings tab, we can add a single relation like so. Then, back in the editor, we can select the relation and click on the 2 labels to connect. Now, they are related, and this will show in our final output. If we had selected a group relation, we could have included more than 2 labels in a relation. Another way to connect labels is by using a table. From the Settings tab here, I created 3 table columns. When we edit, it will look something like this. We can label our sender, amount, and receiver as always, but this time we can put them all in one row of our table like so. This way, they will be related. This is particularly useful when there are many relations in a single PDFs, and using arrows would be too chaotic. Once we're done, we can go back to the project dashboard and we can get the export right from the Export tab. For more information on everything I talked about in the video, please visit docs.ango.ai.